A psychologist in a group session raised a glass of water. Everyone expected the typical question, is it half full or half empty? However, he asked, how much does this glass weigh? The answers vary between 200 and 250 grams. The psychologist responded, absolute weight is not important. It depends on how long I hold it. If I hold it for a minute, it's not a problem. If I hold it for an hour, my arm will hurt. If I hold it for a day, my arm will become numb and paralyzed. The weight of the glass does not change. It is always the same. But the longer I hold it, the heavier and the harder it becomes to bear. Worries, negative thoughts, grudges, resentment are like a glass of water. If you think about them for a while, nothing happens. But if you think about them all day, they start to hurt. And if you think about them all week, you will end up feeling paralyzed and unable to do anything. So please remember, drop the glass.